Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to make Dalgona Chai Latte. During shelter in place, Dalgona Coffee has become popular because it's like a fancy coffee drink that you can make at home. And it tastes really good. This Dalgona Chai recipe, it's creamy and smooth. I'm using whipped cream as a base. I'm not using egg white or anything weird in it. So if you love chai, you're going to love this Dalgona Chai Latte because it's creamy and smooth and rich, just like a chai frappe. So let's get started. First, we're going to pour in the cream. Instant chai powder. I start pre-mixing first so that the instant chai powder doesn't get pushed into the air like dust when the mixer turns on. So start the mixer on low, and I like to tilt the bowl so that everything pulls to one area, and it just helps mix better. Then you can start turning up the speed until it starts forming peaks like this. And once you start seeing peaks and you're happy with what you're seeing and it gets thicker, then you can stop the mixer. See how creamy and thick this got? This is ready. So you don't have to do this, but I'm going to prep a piping bag so I can pipe this out and make it look good for pictures and video. I'm going to pipe it with this tip, which is the open star tip. And I placed it into my piping bag and I placed it over a glass so that I can scoop in the Dalgona mixture. I also doubled the recipe so that I would have extra cream to pipe with. I decided to show this extra step because I know everyone's trying to get the look for pictures and video. This is a little bit more than a cup of milk because it's a mason jar. We're doing this so it looks good. So this piping tip is usually used for decorating cupcakes, but when you use it in Dalgona Chai, it really makes it look like soft serve, doesn't it? And it gives it extra volume and makes it stand out for pictures. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look good? Creamy and smooth and rich. Here's how you drink it. Mix the whipped Dalgona Chai mixture into the milk and drink with a straw. Enjoy! If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, check out my other Dalgona variations, like the Dalgona Matcha Green Tea Latte and the original Dalgona Coffee. See you next time. Bye!